Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today is Q&A day.
Barb Makes Things!
I get a lot of questions, and one that pops up often enough is, "Hey Barb, what's your favorite tool?" Which is a really difficult question. I probably use a drill the most at work. 3D printers can make so many things, and this screwdriver is an excellent example of how obnoxious I am. But no, none of those. I should tell you this story sometime. For me, favorite tool probably bounces back and forth between scroll saw and a dremel, and a big reason for both of those is that they're flexible and really good with details. Scroll saw, which all of my students seem to think that I'm pronouncing squirrel saw. Scroll. Squirrel, scroll, squirrel, scroll, scroll saw. If you say squirrel saw at Rediscover Center, people will know what you're talking about. It's simple. It has a small reciprocating saw that goes just up and down and up and down and up and down. And there are a bunch of different kinds of blades. Since the blade is so tiny, you can get so much detail. Dodge this way and like freehand some really great shapes. Cutting freehand on the scroll saw is actually a go-to activity for me if I'm having a really rough day. When it comes to cutting big material, not necessarily thick, but large, the scroll saw doesn't have a side neck to worry about. You have a lot of freedom of movement, and it doesn't take a lot of setup to use. You just adjust the foot and cut. Plus, interior cuts. Now, a rotary tool like a Dremel is similarly flexible in that it has a bazillion attachments. You can use it to carve, you can use it like a little baby router, you can use cutoff wheels and do all kinds of detail work. I like detail work, if you didn't gather that from the scroll saw and the tiny blade. But then routers and laser cutters are cool too. Bandsaws and chop saws are super useful for some kind of things. And what would I do without my pocket knife? And if I spent more time with table saws, I'm sure I would fall hard for those. Why are we making me choose a favorite tool anyway? All of them. All of them. Leave some more questions down there in the comments for future Q&A videos, and let me know what your favorite tools are. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Scroll, squirrel, scroll, squirrel, scroll, scroll.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.